Yo guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Dr. Z's here, and today is July 3rd while I'm recording this video. Tomorrow's July 4th. Fireworks, s'mores, beach, everything. Today I'm going to be documenting how it is like living here on the Oregon coast for 2 weeks. I'm just going to record 2 days of my life. I'm about to go to a basketball workout, get a couple handles in, shots up. We have a fire pit here. We have hot tub. We have a sauna. We have a steam room. We have everything. We have a chef upstairs cooking us food. That's the life here. I'm just going to be documenting, show you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a good 4th of July when you guys are watching this. So let's get into it. Before I go to my basketball workout, I just want to show you guys this view. Oh my, isn't this crazy? 360 view of the ocean. Wow, isn't that great? Maybe it's not a professional basketball workout, but it's a training. I asked a couple neighbors, hey, you mind if I use your hoop, shoot on it? I have to walk all the way down from my house. No big deal. About to get a training in. See you guys in an hour. Got to start with form shots. Finish my workout, I like sprinting up these hills to you know, get those legs pumping. So here we go. Workout complete. Let's go see what our chef's making. Whew. Those hills get you out of breath. Let me just tell you that. Best feeling after a workout's complete. The chef actually stepped out for a second, but I don't know what this is. He brought this. He brought his rice cooker, his food, his fresh fish, all his stuff here. Time to get some good food. Let me give you guys a little house tour. My room's right here. We have a deck, another deck out here. More rooms. Come here. Pretty cool bar area. We have washer and dryers here. In here we have fresh cherries from my grandparents' house where I was. Remember the last video. We got a bathroom. We got stairs going up to the 3rd story. Another room here. Front door is right there. Then we come down to my favorite room of the house, down below. We come down nice carpety stairs down to our game room here. We have a pool table, full game here. We have Jenga, mini Jenga. We got big Jenga. We got another area for drinks, full stacked fridge. Then we got shuffleboard to play. Then we got a biggest TV in the whole world. I'm like 1,000th of it. Nice comfortable couch. Whoever plays me in pool, you guys will get cooked. Then we have another room over here where my brother's staying. Pretty messy, because you know it's my brother. And then we got a steam room here where we're gonna go tonight, relax, put some cool lights on for you guys. Then we have a sauna heating up, banya, all made out of wood. It's warming up right now. It's only at 88, but it's gonna get to 200. Come outside. We have the beautiful view, the fireplace, the grill, the hot tub, and the amazing view. Oh man, isn't it such a sick house here? And I can't wait. I can't wait to just have a fun night tonight, fun night tomorrow, blast fireworks off, and who knows what else will happen. Continue with the house tour. We come up the stairs here, come to another room, to another bathroom, to another 4 bunk bed room, and another bathroom, and then pantry and kitchen. gonna go down to the beach later, see the sunset, eat some s'mores, and then maybe go to the hot tub later.
I'm about to try this amazing dish right here.
Oh, with man
Oyster, a little caviar, a little chives.
Trying to get down like 2 dozen. Oh yeah.
That was really good. Oh my, the seared make that 100 times better. So good. 10 out of 10. Guys, this is how crazy it is in Oregon. It's 8:50 p.m. right now. And look at the sun. Still fully up. You can see daylight. It's gonna be a late night for us. Yo, we made it to the beach, guys. Look at this view, bro. And the sunset, our bonfire, and the big proposal rock. This is amazing, man. We better have some s'mores. This is about to be delicious after that sushi. Whoo! Bro, the sunset is nice, bro, but my feet are literally frozen. It's so cold out here. Hey, it's only July 3rd. We gotta start the fireworks off early.
Yeah! City.
Bro, I just made it back home, bro. It's like 11:30 right now. I'm so tired, but I'm just about to watch a movie, chill. Tomorrow's even gonna be a more crazy day. We can literally still hear fireworks outside. So that's crazy. Like, you hear that? So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Woke up. It's about 10 a.m. right now. Got a good breakfast in, and now we're about to head to this 4th of July parade. It's supposed to be fun. I'll tune you in when we get there. prayed a few hours ago. I've just been hooping with my friend, you know, getting a couple games in. I haven't seen him in a few years. Now we're just relaxing, eating some lunch, you know, and we're just waiting for the fireworks to happen. It's not till 10 p.m. right now. It's only 12:30 right now. So we're just gonna relax, have a chill day today, 4th of July. Happy 4th, guys. We got the tuna melt. We got bell peppers, grapes. Now time to test it. Wow. About to play some pool table. Comment down below if you actually think you could beat me. Here we go. Enjoy the time lapse. Now time to play some shuffleboard. About to go in the steam room, relax, hot tub, sauna. You know, guys, just trying to relax. I'm waiting for the time, you know, I'm waiting for 9:30, 10 p.m. because that's when the fireworks show is. We're gonna blow. Oh, there's so many fireworks. Actually, that reminds me, let me go show you guys these fireworks. Look at all this fireworks. Oh my, you don't even know, like, in person how many. D-Day, 25 shots. Taco Tuesday, 500 grams. We have, this is our grand finale, 260 shots. This alone costs $900 right here. Tell me if you guys blow this up, if you guys would blow this up. We have so many fireworks, and plus that there's gonna be a fireworks show on the beach people are already doing for us. Bro, this night's gonna be crazy. I don't know if this is good for the camera right now, but I'm about to do it. Let me just show you how foggy it is in here. Woo! Smells like eucalyptus. Let's go, baby. 15 minutes in the chamber. Whew. This definitely helps basketball. It relaxes all your muscles. I'm done with the hot tub, done with the sauna, done with the steam room now. Now I'm just gonna relax my body, watch some TV, and wait for a night to fall down. Yep, see you guys then. Yes sir, boys, we're in the back of a truck right now. Look at this. We are driving, I'm in the back of a truck right now with all these fireworks. Oh my, Roman candles, this thing, this taco thing, chairs, these things to put oil in, coolers, all of these, like I don't even know. Oh, what's up? Bro, this is the most insane thing. Tonight, it's gonna be the most craziest thing ever happened. What are you guys doing for 4th of July? Do you have this many fireworks that I have right now? And are you sitting in the back of a truck right now? Oh, that's where I play basketball. But this is crazy. Yo! The air is so smoky right now. Look at this.
I know, dude. Look at the island over there, bro.
You barely can see it. Yo! Oh! Go far, go far. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! What the? Oh! Yo! Oh my! It's like 100 feet. Here we go, it's time for the finale, $900 just for one crate. Bro, this is about to be the most craziest thing in the world, bro. Holy, I've never seen one. 260 shots. Here we go, no turning back. Here we go! Here we go! $900! Wow! Thank you guys so much for watching. It's like 1 a.m. right now. Made it back home, showered, feel refreshed. I got a flight to catch in 2 days. We're going to go to New York City. Hopefully it's going to be a fun time. I've never been there. If you guys made it this far, please like the video and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Comment down below what you guys did for 4th of July. Did you guys have as much fun I did the last 2 days? And Dr. Z's out. See you guys then.